It's your girl Miss Drew, and I'm back again with yet another episode. Now, I know in previous episodes I've been talking about different luxury sporting activities there are to do in Ghana. And of course, there is no way I can forget about the one and only golf. Yes, a prestigious and relaxing sport it is. And of course, your girl is here to see what sporting life or the golfing life, how is in Ghana. So, you already know, follow me and let's get our golf on.
She's coming. Hi.
Lady.
Hi, Drew. Hi. You come here to play with friends mainly, but then, let's say, as we are in a working environment, we are coming to play at the weekends. Or Friday afternoons, weekends, that's when we are here to
So weekends,
play.
is that when there's more tournaments?
Yes.
More people come around?
Yeah.
Leave the husband home and come here to play golf.
Yes! Oh, that's nice. Now, actually, let's talk about golf. What are like the essentials that you need as a starter pack or starter setup? I'm a starter. This is going to be my first time playing golf. So am I ready?
Yeah.
As you are sitting, I will say you are ready, except your top.
I need a different top.
Yes.
Right? Okay, it has to be a polo.
It has to be a polo.
Why polo shirts then?
It's the etiquette of the golf.
Golfing
Yes.
etiquette, guys.
Yes.
Serious.
It is serious.
Properly attached.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to have a polo, probably a cap too, because
Yes, you have a cap.
get your trainers on, your shorts. I'm about to learn how to play some golf. I'm about to get right onto, it's not a field, what's it called?
A course.
A course.
I'm about to get onto the course, guys. Maybe I might change my top. So I'm looking the part.
Yes.
After this. Alright guys, I've got my new t-shirt on. Hopefully I am looking the part. Let's go and see if they agree.
Hi.
Hello! How do I look?
Oh, you look fantastic.
I look ready now?
You look like a golfer.
Yes,
Really?
guys, I look like a golfer. Okay, so now this is a golf cart.
Yes.
Look at this, guys. All of these golf sticks. Oh my goodness. I'm sure I'm gonna find out all of what all these different things do.
Yes.
But so where are we gonna start on?
I think we are going to start, let's say, with the stand and the swing a bit.
Okay, all
So
right.
that's I think for me, it's like maybe I'll give you one of. Can I
we
give you
take
a
a shot. We take our shot.
Yes.
And you look at us.
I'm gonna watch.
How? Okay.
Okay.
That can also do.
So before we get onto the pitch, you ladies have to teach me some golfing etiquette. So what are some things that I need to know before the game even starts or while the game is in process?
You have to be quiet when they start playing.
Oh wow, okay. You need to be quiet.
Be quiet.
That's showing respect.
Yeah, when others are hitting, you don't make noise.
When others are hitting, you don't make noise. That could be a distraction.
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
Distraction.
Instruction.
On the tee, on the green, when they are putting, you don't stand in someone's line.
Okay.
Stay away and then you be quiet.
Oof. Right, guys.
Whilst you are on the green, you're not allowed to move around to distract your player who is now just to putt.
So you must stay
Yes.
still, like statues.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes. So maybe as she's actually also a good teacher, she will start with the first shot.
Okay. Let's do this.
So I've also actually what we can say, you need as another outfit, you need a glove.
Gloves.
one for the left hand when you are a right-handed person. It's also important to say you are covering your left hand with a glove. Or some are taking two. Yeah. So then with this, because you are holding your club actually with the left hand.
Oh, okay.
Let me give you this. Maybe you try. It can work for you. Try it.
Sharing is caring, yes.
Oh man, sorry.
So you need to get a glove, guys. Even I'm right-handed though, so I'm guessing I'm going to learn how to hold the club. That's what it's called, a golf club.
I have to call you back, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So some of them are bigger and some are smaller. What's the why?
It's like when you are doing a longer distance, you need a bigger one.
Okay.
But if it's just a short distance, you need a small one.
You can use a shorter one.
Yes. So now we are having our glove. Now what Madame is looking for, our vice captain.
Me out.
You need always to have tees.
A tee.
This is a tee.
This is a tee, guys. What does this tee do?
This tee takes your ball. Let me just show you. We take one of the balls, and then to hit the ball, you need to tee your ball on this.
Like this. Make
Yes.
it balance.
Make it balance.
Okay.
So this is a tee box. From there we start our game.
Okay.
And the aim is, if I can show you,
Yep.
come here, is that you can see down there where the other people are walking. There is our putting green, and that's where we have to reach with
Oh,
less.
so wait. So right now, guys, you've got this tee box here.
Yes.
This is where we tee our ball,
Yes.
and we're trying to hit it to get to the green over
Yes,
there.
Over there.
But where's the hole?
That is over there.
Oh my goodness! So we're just hitting into thin air.
Yes. You
Oh.
will see it from there.
We will see. Oh my
So,
goodness! So we
yes.
basically have to try and hit as far as we can.
As far as you can. We have some hazards in our game. That is here.
Some
this
people
water.
put it in the water.
If you put it in the water, it's a penalty stroke. You have to play another ball from the playoff box again.
Wow! This
Yes.
is proving a little bit difficult, guys.
It is a lot of
But it's
first
all about
information.
patience.
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 We make
To get inside the hole for 4 shots.
4 shots, 4 strokes
Yeah.
in the hole. That's the aim.
That's the aim.
Okay. Right. Let's do this then.
So
So you start. You are ready.
Ah.
So you show how it works.
Okay.
So she takes
So let's
now
go,
the
guys.
driver.
The driver.
it's
That is-
bigger, longer because it's
We're
a
going
longer
That
far.
goes with the
Okay.
distance.
I wish I could just get on there.
Yes. Okay. So put the hole.
Okay,
Bring
so
me
now
also the 8.
this is the etiquette. Stand that way.
Oh.
Or that way.
Let me stand behind her. I'll stand behind you so I can
So
see.
we are watching you.
So we need to
together.
be quiet now.
Yes. Now we have to be quiet. Good.
Oh my goodness!
And here it goes.
Ah! God, I even was scared I was going to go in the water. That was 1 stroke. But there must be, no, sorry guys. There must be power in this lady's hand. Did you see that? Phew!
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
Now you try.
Oh my goodness!
Me no.
No, you
Now I.
I'll give mine to her to try.
Ush.
Okay, let's go. Another practice run. Let me watch. The captain, vice captain and captain.
All right.
Oh my
I'm not as
goodness.
professional as my
I'm
wife.
getting nervous, guys. Woof!
So I have to aim a bit. And hope I'm not ending in the water.
Ooh, that's a practice swing. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! How do you even remember where your balls went?
Yes, we have to watch where the ball.
You have to watch where your ball went. Oh, okay.
Now they.
Oh, these are the caddies.
These are our caddies.
Watch.
Keep your head down and hit it well.
Keep your head down.
Yes.
Take a small club.
Okay. A small
Bring
class.
the 8. This is very difficult.
Bring my
Bring the-
5 feet. My 5 feet.
Oh my gosh, so they keep coming back so they can't miss. Okay,
6
let's go. Third time's the charm. Practice run. Oh my gosh.
You can see the power.
Yeah.
Yes. And a good shot.
Oh my goodness.
Small one. You take a small one.
So
Take
now
your time.
we show you.
Put the pegs down.
Guys, I'm getting nervous.
Right.
So
Okay,
you put the peg
I'm
down.
about to put my peg down. Can I put it anywhere?
You have to keep it behind these 2 boxes.
Okay, behind these
This
boxes.
is the line. Yes.
Let me try here.
Voila.
And then this is my ball, guys.
Yes. But let's say you put it a bit deeper. May I?
Yeah?
Yeah. So you push it a bit deeper because with the 8. So
Okay,
now you hold your club.
this is it. Perfect. How do I hold it?
You hold it here like this
With my left hand?
with the left hand, and then you key in with your right hand. Let me just show you. Yeah, somehow like this.
Like this?
Let me see. You have to interlock the 2 hands here. Then you cannot move with the hands. All right, perfect.
Okay.
That's how it is. Now you go back with your arms straight. You keep your head down. Always watching. You go up, and then you hit. Yes.
Okay, guys.
Good.
I don't know why I'm so nervous.
Don't be
First time,
nervous.
guys. They call the first timers handicaps, right? Okay, so let's go. Where do I stand? Is this the perfect way to stand?
Yes. Very
Perfect way to stand.
Yes. Very
Oh gosh, guys. I'm practicing etiquette by standing behind.
It's good. It's good. Don't
Oh, eyes on the ball.
eyeing the ball. Don't move. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so it'll be like this. Whew.
Yes. Try. Try
Okay,
it that way.
let's go. And we're aiming over there.
Just we can also aim for the water.
1, 2, 3, go.
So you have to move now closer to the ball. Yes. And you keep this down.
Yeah.
And then you swing.
Okay, we're
Yes.
going.
Yes. Almost.
Okay.
Yes. Bravo.
Oh, guys.
That's it.
Look at all the dust that went with it. That's embarrassing. We didn't really go that far, but it's okay, guys. It was further than I expected. Okay, so that means you take your
You take your tee.
tee,
Put it in your trousers
pocket and you
your
keep
hand
going.
in your hair. And then you have to-
The next shot is more important. Okay.
Forget about what happened.
Yes.
Just focus. You cannot go back to the past.
Oh,
So
wow.
you need to focus on this one, isn't it? So
Focus.
Focus now. Keep the ball.
Me and the ball. Nobody else. Let's forget about the past. Okay. Oh. Okay. Putting it in the ground.
Hi, hi.
Very nicely.
Okay.
No, we are just playing now with the team.
Fairway.
Okay.
So it's a
TV.
lovely grass. So you try to put it like this. So
Okay,
later you
come
hit
and
the
join.
ball, the ball can get it.
But we are
nicely.
done soon.
Imagine this is a fairway.
Okay.
We don't tee on this. We only tee on the tee box.
Oh, okay.
Again, so now you just lie up and you and the ball.
Okay, okay. Then
What do
Okay.
you think in your
Right.
head? Just I will hit
Okay.
the ball there. I will hit the ball there. I'll hit the ball there. That's
see
all
what we
think
can
of.
do.
Don't think
Okay.
of anything else.
Maybe.
Right. Not think about anything else, guys. Just me and the ball.
Mic. I have a mic.
Whew.
I cannot talk. I cannot talk. 10 minutes maybe.
Ready, guys.
Okay.
Keep down. Keep down. Oh.
So now let me say you have to come a bit closer to the ball, and now you try to stay down like this. Keep your hips there.
Yeah.
And then you do like this.
Okay. I'm getting so many lessons. Sweeping.
Sweep. Yes.
Do I use my hips?
You can use your hips.
Eyes down.
Keep eyes down.
You are sweeping this ball away.
Okay. All right.
Eyes down.
Let's go.
And
You're sweeping too high. Let's touch it.
you make it just a small swing. You don't need to. So 1.
Oh my God. Okay, let's just go like this.
Let's try.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh God. 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
But it didn't go high though. It just went on the floor. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a lot. It really is. You need serious concentration for this game.
Serious.
Wow. Okay. 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 I don't even know what to say now. Yeah, we're gonna get into a deep class, guys, another time. But this was a beginner's session.
That was a big.
Lovely. Okay. So, I mean, is it expensive to play golf?
Well, I think it's expensive doing everything. these
Everything.
days.
So if you enjoy it, if it's a passion,
It is a passion. It's not.
if it's a passion, then it's not expensive.
Yes.
If you exercise, you don't go to the hospital, you don't pay bills.
Oh, there you go.
Yes.
It works out.
Yes, it works out for body and the soul.
Yeah.
Body and
it
soul.
keeps you mentally healthy.
Yeah.
You have to walk. You have your exercise, and even the talking to your friends, sometimes helps. And so, yes, and concentration. Sometimes you come here, maybe you are stressed from your work, and then if you don't concentrate, you may hit the ball like
Like I did.
a newcomer. But then you will see it comes with the time that you concentrate properly, and then you will hit your balls further and further.
Lovely, lovely. Well, guys, that was my experience learning how to play golf off camera, guys, because the next time I come and show you, I'm going to be much better than I was just now. Okay?
Bravo, bravo.
So the ladies pink cup, if you can give us some information as to why people should come and join us next, the 6th of November.
6th of November, we will have a draw. We'll tee off from 6 a.m. in the morning, and then the reason is we are still collecting donations during the tournament. After the tournament, our doctor, Florence Dede, will give us a speech about the importance of the awareness, breast cancer awareness, because early detection
Saves lives. Yes, indeed. Well, guys, that's one episode done of learning how to play golf, being a golfer for the day. Guys, I'm going to do that off camera. Watch, I'm going to end up getting a hole in one off camera. See you guys.
Bye.